Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use Passwords app on iPhone. Well, if we go to Settings, we will see that Passwords does not appear. We must find it here. Here we will have several options. If we go to All, we will see all the passwords that we have registered in the app. In the symbol below, we can add more passwords. Here, we can create a shared group for passwords. We can give it a name, and down here we can add people we trust. Simply enter their email or phone number. You can also add their name if they have it in contacts. In Wi-Fi, we will see all the Wi-Fi connections that we connected previously. If we click on Security, we will see if any of our passwords have been compromised and the respective security recommendations that we can use. In Passkeys, we can select the passwords that we want to have our Face ID as an additional layer of security. In Codes, we can add two-step authentication. It is similar to the Google Authenticator application. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.